Hello everyone, this is Valerie with Old Alley Quilt Shop, going through the cutting instructions for Moda Stitch Pink 2020 Block 29 Twinkle Twinkle. This has lots of little units in it. So the first cutting is of A, which is your background fabric. You need 4 3.5-inch squares. There's 4. B is 6 3.7/8-inch squares of my fabric one, or this really light pink if you have a kit. Cut them diagonally so that you need 2 of the light pink and then 4 of your background fabrics. That 3 7/8. There's 4. So C is 18 2 3/8-inch squares. 6 of them will be this lighter pink. So there's 6. I'm going to stack these on top of each other because these also you will cut diagonally. I'm going to just do 4. And then of this bright, fun pink, raspberry fuchsia, I'm not sure what it's called, but pretty. This one, you need 12. That's our C triangles. And D is 6 2 3/8 inch. Verify, but I'm pretty sure these are the right size. This is a super light pink. There you go. There is the cutting pieces for Block 29, Twinkle Twinkle. Let's go stitch. Hello everyone, Valerie, Old Alley Quilt Shop. This is Block 29, Twinkle Twinkle, Stitch Pink 2020, piecing instructions. So the first thing you need to do is create your half square triangles. Okay, you'll make, of the C and D's, you'll make 12 of them. And in this case, you're going to make 6 of the units from one color and 6 from, I should take that back. I think there's 8 and 4 is what you'll make. 8 from one color and 4 in the other, unless you do them all same color. Okay, so once you get those done and squared up to 2 inches, then you will take your, you're going to make these triangle units. So you're going to add one to the side, just like as it did here. And then you're going to add another to this side. I always stitch from the center, so I start from here, but I line this up on the bottom. And then once you get that piece done, then you'll want to stitch it to one of the triangles from B. If you're in the center, but it might be the colored one, or if it's an outside one, then it'll be your background. So when this is all said and done, you'll have multiple blocks in the center, so you'll have a pinwheel and then a couple of diamond pinwheels coming out. It's actually a really pretty star coming together. So once you get those, the bottom and top units each take a square on the corner. So you get those. Oops. Add your B unit. Square those to 3.5 inches. Do your top unit. Add your corners of A. Add the 2 different various colors. Again, it's easier if you lay it all out and piece them so that you don't get lost. And then do the same thing for this row. Do the same thing for this row and this row. And once you get them all stitched, then you will stitch them all 4 together and square to 12.5 by 12.5. So I will be right back. I'm going to finish these small squares and move on. All right, I'm back. I set my 4 rows together. As I said, it does this small pinwheel and then this larger wheel. It's very pretty. So this is Block 29, Twinkle Twinkle. Thank you. See you tomorrow.